Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character biàn, step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Biàn. Biàn, to change. To become different. For example, 变成 to change into. "变成 to turn into. Now check this sentence. The question becomes, how do I know when should I go? The question becomes, how do I know when I should go? "那么问题变成了，我怎么知道我什么时候去？"那么问题变成了，我怎么知道我什么时候去？什么时候去？ The question becomes, how do I know when I should go? 那么问题变成了，我怎么知道 How do I know? 我什么时候去？什么时候去？那么问题变成了，我怎么知道我什么时候去？ My daily handwriting on the character 变。变 to change, to become different. 变成 to change into, to turn into. The question becomes, how do I know when I should go? 那么问题变成了，我怎么知道我什么时候去？变。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 变. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.